Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a free gift for a website in a Shopify store. The option is very simple and easy. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Apps section and then open the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for Free Gift Box and look for the app that is the best match. Here, I will select this app and install it. Once the app is installed, you will need to enable its status. To enable it, click on Enable BOGOS, which will take you to your Store Embed page. Make sure the toggle for the free gift is turned on. Next, click Save and return to the main app page. The status will now be enabled. Now, to create an offer, scroll down and select Create Offer. You will see a bunch of different options to choose from. You can choose any offer you want to add, like a gift or bundle offer, and more. Since I want to add the gift offer, I will select this. Next, a bunch of templates are provided to choose from. Here, you can set options like Buy X Get Y, or Buy a product and get another product free. Add offer information like its title, starting and ending time. You can also add offer main and sub-conditions, like you can select the number of products required for the offer to be valid. You can also add additional rules if needed. Next, select the products you want the offer to apply to. For example, I'll select all products. Now choose your gift. You can add a gift product here or give shopping discounts as a gift too. Let's add a product gift. Click on Select Gift and select your gift product. Lastly, add a cart message you want to be displayed on your store and then select Publish. Now, let's preview it. As you can see, the gift icon is displayed on the store products. Customers will see the gift box added automatically when they add an item in their cart. At checkout, the gift will be applied. That's all for today's video. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you can use the link in the description to get started for just $1 for 3 months. Thanks for watching.